What is the area of this square having 4 unit as the length of a side? What is the length of a side of this square having 25 unit square as the area? Any number that includes I is called a complex number or imaginary number. Feel free to share this video with others, helping them enrich their knowledge as well. So let's start. What is the area of this square having 4 unit as the length of a side? The answer is 16 unit square. Here we have used the formula that the area of a square is equal to the square of the length. What is the length of a side of this square having 25 unit square as the area? The answer is 5 unit. Again, here we have used the formula that the length of a side of a square is equal to the square root of the area. Another way, we can find the length. Let the length of a side of this square be x unit. Consider the equation square of x is equal to 25. Then the solution is 5 and minus 5. So, the length is 5 unit. But the other solution x equals to minus 5 is also satisfy the above equation. This negative solution comes from the world of negative numbers. Here the equation is square of x is equals to negative 2. The above equation does not have any solution from the world of positive numbers or the world of negative numbers. Therefore the equations like square of x equals to minus 1 or square of x equals to minus 2 or square of x equals to minus square root of 10 do not have any real solutions. But there is a way to illustrate the solutions. Let the square root of minus 1 as I. Here I is called the imaginary unit. Now we can evaluate square root of minus 12 in the following way. You can also check the following expressions. You can also check the solutions of the following equations. Any number that includes I is called a complex number or imaginary number. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy this type of content from ApexMind, consider subscribing to our channel and hitting the bell icon for notifications. Feel free to share this video with others, helping them enrich their knowledge as well.